All right, well, we're out to do a 6S run again, finally. I did a 4S before. We'll see how that turns out. It was kind of dark. We couldn't see anything. So we've got it here. You can see my counters are maxed out to 0. Or reset to 0, I should say. And I'll put them in the bags afterwards. Couldn't see nothing in the bags. We're also out a little later. What did I do? All right, we're back. Why is it trying to go to heads-up display? All right. I managed to go 1.9 miles per hour putting it in the bag. I'll be okay with that. Maybe we'll be able to see it still set. We can see it now, I think. Yeah. Oh, we got the tape. Is it over in the bag? I'll get it. Maybe if this bag doesn't want to seal. Alright. New location we've never been before, super pretty. But I've got some reeds I've got to make it out past, so we're gonna wish me luck. That should be good right there. Snap, crackle, and pop. Hey, you want to throw it out for me? Huh? All right. And the best part of the boat. That was not half bad. We even got some self-riding action in. That was pretty good. That's one of the slickest looking crashes I've ever had. We'll see how that turned out on film. I'm trying to get a better camera going too, so we might even get some better film here for you guys soon. That will be nice. Alright. Ooh, we're cooking inside of here. Things are getting warm. Some warm cords. Ooh. Wires in the ESC and the motor. I'm gonna wire it all together. Where are we at? 45.8. 45.8. And you can see I was getting a little airborne here. Let me take it out. I bet you there's definitely more to be had. I'm not getting all the way there. It's starting to get hoppity on me. Probably need to weigh the boat down or something to get it to sit. Oop, I'm shaking. All right. We'll see you guys later.